That's gonna be recording same way.
Hey!
Grover, come.
That's what I'm glad to see other grass and everyone else. Come in mad to stop on the highway. Hey, yeah.
One photos as well.
Yeah, man.
Flick up.
Walking.
Yeah, make you hear a song. The popcorn, the signal.
What you know about badness? Yeah.
What down, Kevin? Where you there?
Me there over, when I play something, me there at a boulevard just soon forward.
I'm at 90 go deal with your credit. Said in my band, man, I wire them. Can show your rifle, you never fire them. I coulda who hired them. Marcus, make we wire them. Shut up, play, now your head like blue.
Oh, start fresh?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, man.
Oh, shit, hold up.
Dogs, you don't bad life.
Sound.
Say when.
Roll. Strum.
One rifle struck on my back. Crack your skull like
Strums. Yeah. Yeah. That's it, bro. That was it.
Sally.
Give me some of them. Just continue.
No, nothing but badness. So watch your arm. Make 90 go deal with your crabbage.
Yeah. Right. You just vibe into it. Well, you just do your thing. Do some action, anything you want. You don't really have to sing to them. Ready again. Love it. I love that.
Yeah. But at the same time, you're not really revealing the hoses and the...
You probably have to be like some kind of curve though.
Towards the grass. Love it. Oh yeah. Yeah, hit this. Yeah man, I hit this. Turn to it. See. Boom. Don't move. Shit. Shut up. What's the distance? Yeah man, go on like you play the most way. Do everything you want to do. Turn to the side here, man. Look towards like you look towards, yeah. Look to your left, continue. More to your left. Yeah. Alright. Turn it to the little bit to the left. Yeah, you have it? Stop, look around. So suck your man up.
People, we're there again. I see him play some lock off yesterday. This will start up back. KFC. There with it. Kyle. Isn't it?
Guys are thugs.
Yeah man, Kyle help me film the rest of the video today. I look out for Kyle and I see him enough, you see me? Pull up a workshop and that's it. Kyle, we have to do it.
I'm just hungry right now, man. I just want some food in my tummy. The man's been, nah, I know some man's been working hard, but the wife for that.
Yeah,
but
off.
But yeah, I'm out here making some work, making sure I get some content up, man.
Kyle have a YouTube channel too.
Just a start.
Tell him YouTube channel.
Bob and Justice Official, man. When I confirm it, make you know still.
So extra footage from behind the scenes I got there on Kyle channel, so I'm gonna check it out, you see me? I put the link in the description. So the link I got in the description, so check it out on Kyle channel, you see it? Alright. I'll get some food and all that we had. I'm tired. By the time I see this, the video I'll go dip on IG, so go check out the video. Alright? Cool.